2024 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, wood grain trim, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.